Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A damp and blustery day for much of Queensland with only fleeting patches of blue sky, though noticeably brighter west of the ranges. Tomorrow afternoon we start the transition to drier, calmer weather, and certainly by Thursday we'll enjoy more consistent sunshine. Living in the rain shadow of Mount Elliot gives Townsville a special immunity to the cooler temperatures which normally accompany cloudy days. At the airport the range today was 24 to 32 degrees, which is about average. To the satellite loop now, lots of cloud again today. It is a fairly unstable atmosphere, but mostly east of the Great Dividing Range. It's a deep, moist southeasterly flow and it's quite cold up top, which helps the overturning of air, and that's what we need to get these showers. Inland, as you can see, it's mostly clear. On today's chart, we still have a steady southeast wind and it's quite strong, solid high in the Tasman Sea. It is starting to recede, but it's still very strong, and we've got a strong wind warning basically for all coastal waters up to Townsville, or at least Cardwell, that's the border, less so going north. On tomorrow's chart, the strong wind warning contracts just to Whitsunday and Capricorn coast waters. Elsewhere you can see the isobars are starting to spread apart and the winds will start to drop. It'll be the last day where we'll get quite consistent showers though. On the outlook chart, finally you see the ridge of high pressure break down completely as the next trough comes in from the west. This means the southeasterlies reduce dramatically and start to turn more northerly inland. Temperatures rise and skies clear up. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, east to southeast winds reaching 25 knots tomorrow and then below 20 knots on Thursday. By Friday just 10 to 15 knots southeast to northeasterlies. Tomorrow is one day short of full moon, so we have a very big morning tide to contend with. Not quite as mighty as the new moon king tide 2 weeks ago, but not far off. The Herbert and Lower Burdekin, we've got a 60% chance of showers tomorrow and potential thunderstorms as well. Townsville 24 up to 31 degrees, 31 also for Ayr, and Ingham's expecting 30. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, outside chance of a late storm with Charters Towers reaching 33 degrees and Georgetown 35. Looking ahead for Townsville, there's a general trend towards calmer, clearer weather, but up here the trend is so weak that every day is basically the same. Chance of showers, tops around 31. Daily rainfalls typically just a few millimetres. And that's tonight's weather, folks. Keep sending me cool photos, and if you have any weather-related questions, please don't try to look me up on social media. Just send me an email at asklivio@7.com.au. Have a nice evening, and now it's back to the team.
Anything you'd like to catch up on again, our 7 Plus app or our page 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.